If you guys have knee pain, one of the best tools that you can use to get rid of it is an exercise band. Let me show you 4 exercises that I do all the time to help keep my knees strong, healthy, bulletproof, and without pain. So come join me. Hey, I'm Coach Todd with feelgoodlife.com, where we help people live life without joint pain. If that's you, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We'd love to have you part of our community. So I've got 4 exercises that you can do using a band. Now these things cost $6-7 off of Amazon. There's different strength levels. I just use a pink one. I don't know, maybe it's my favorite color. But what you can do is these are fantastic for helping get rid of knee pain. Let me go ahead and show you how to use the band to stop your knee pain. All right, guys, the first thing you're gonna need is some type of stable surface. So this is my stand-up, one of the legs to it, which works perfectly for me. You can use a table. As long as the table is really heavy, you could use your bed post. But what you're gonna do is tie this amazing band around that post, just like this. I like to tie it about here just because when I pull it hard, the desk actually moves a little bit, so I actually keep that in place. So I need to be a little bit closer to the desk. You'll find kind of the right position for you. I often use sweatpants because this thing kind of slides and kind of rips the hairs a little bit. But just for you, I'm going to do it just because I've got shorts on. Okay, so now that you've got this, now what you're going to do is step into it. So the placement of this band, I make sure it's even with my knee, just like this. See how it's right behind my knee? And then it's wrapped around that leg post. All right, while I'm holding my stand-up desk so it doesn't move, make sure that band is stretching. I'm facing the desk. Now watch my knee. All I do is little presses straight and slightly bent. My heel is on the ground. I don't lift my heel at all. I just press just like this. I do these 30 or 40 reps. I just have a nice stable balance. Sometimes I'm watching YouTube videos, watching guitar videos. I love to watch guitarists. It just passes the time, and it's fantastic for your knee. It's really one of the best exercises you can do for your knee. Again, if it starts to kind of hurt your skin a little bit, put on some sweatpants. It's perfectly fine. That's in fact what I usually do, especially when it's colder like it is now. All right, exercise number 2 is very similar, but it's kind of like donkey kicks if you've ever done donkey kicks. And this one is great because it engages a lot of your stabilizers in your leg. It's really a glute exercise and hamstring, but it really forces your knee to use stabilizers. So this is what it looks like. So I'm upright. I've got the band around the bottom of my foot, and all I do is a donkey kick. So I push it back. It doesn't need to be a large movement, but you're just pressing that heel back. So try to keep your knee at a 90-degree angle, just like this. So you go until your leg is about parallel to that other leg. Doesn't quite look like it because the angle of the camera, but it's getting there. Just like this. Again, I do this 20 to 30 times, just nice and slow and controlled. You're going to feel all the stabilizers in your leg fire to do this motion. All right, exercise number 3 is very similar to the first one, but you're facing the other direction. So again, you're going to try to fan this band out, wrap it around your knee. Now go ahead and walk a little bit forward to stretch that band out. Just like this, and then you're just doing little presses. So it's straight, and then press. Straight, and then press. Straight, and then press. Again, 30 to 40 times. Fantastic exercise for your knee. All right, exercise number 4, which is kind of 2 exercises in one, but what you're going to do is adduction and abduction. So again, the band is still wrapped around the knee, and you're pressing in and out, in and out. The reason the band is at the same level as your knee is, because then it would slide around more. But if it's at the same level, then you don't have to worry about it. Press in and out. If you step out further and make it harder, you don't need to do 30 or 40 reps. You can just do 10. But if it's a little bit lighter, which is kind of how I like to have it, 30 to 40 reps is great. For abduction, you're going to be doing the same thing, except facing the other direction. And all you're going to do is lift that leg up. So this is abduction. So think of it like bulletproofing your knee. So you're strengthening all the muscles around your knee in every which direction using this band. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Again, the band is one of the most powerful tools that you can use to strengthen your knee, rehab it, and live without joint pain. So again, if you enjoy learning more about joint pain, no matter if it's knee pain, shoulder pain, or whatever joint, then go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and head over to Feel Good Life, where we'd love to have you part of our community. So again, thanks so much. I really appreciate your time. I really value it and appreciate you giving me your full attention in these videos, and look forward to seeing you over at Feel Good Life and seeing you guys in the next video.